Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Pepe update today. And Pepe is really doing quite extraordinary. We talked about a bull flag where you had a move to the upside, a flag like this, and you have a technical target to basically move up to 10,055. So at least for now, we are continuing on to make some positive improvement as well. So if you look at it, we do have another flag right over here, which actually does support the fact that we're really pushing up to 1,055. Now, I don't know what's going to happen from there, but at least I do see that you have taken this from top to bottom, and you can already see that you're pretty much right on the T. So yes, one can easily maybe try to get that, 70. It's a free 17% in my opinion. Probably if you come down to 842, that actually, or maybe down to 821. So 821 is a place where you don't fall down into, because that actually invalidates this small flag. It invalidates this one, but it doesn't invalidate the target, okay? Because the target still comes from this flag here. So if you might see even something like this and then go back up, right? So at least for taking this flag over here, the stop loss is going to be this one over here. And if someone was taking this flag, their stop loss is going to be down at 592. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.